It's Cooper. I'm like doing like a fireworks thing. No Beyblades, no Lego Dimensions, no Australian Ninja Warrior this time. Just gonna be celebrating. So we've got my friend Baxter here. Hello, and the ugly stalker. I'm gonna kill you. It's gonna be a celebration. I don't know what it's for. Oh, let's sit down, guys. Let's sit down. 5 minutes to go. Let's go. Okay, we know what to do, cameraman. Oh wait, whatever you say. It's like I don't care. Really. It's like we know what to do, bitch. Yeah, we know what to do. Oh, now these guys are starting to fight. He's running on. He's running. Oh, he's coming back. No, he's coming back. He's coming back. He's gonna punch. He's gonna fight. He's afraid out of there. Okay, of course he would win. So, bang, 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 bang. Stupid people at the front. I did a parkour and then dabbed in the air, and the guys like this. Get up the stage. Get up the stage. So derpy. So what are we gonna do next? I don't know. Probably cruise around for a bit. Jumping castle, bang. I'm not sure what to do. Devil! What should I do? It's a pretty cool area. There gosh. Sounds like the person over there is a bit fat. It's got a little fire thing up there. See it? That's fire! What the bloody? He's stuck! No! Stalker! He's coming back! Catch this on camera, Cooper! He's pretending he's got it. A gun? Oh, he's down! Yeah, cause I karate kicked him in the face. Yeah, so sorry about the craziest tonight. It's a bit of a late one, but okay, a bit of crazy stuff. So sorry about that. What the hell? No, he's the ugly stalker junior. No, ugly stalker senior on the loose. So what are we gonna do next? Devil! Bubble gun. Bang, bang. Why are you following me, devil? Never been a devil like that. Never been a devil. Never. Ever. Sesame seed. You suck. You suck. Oh my god. Run! We're running. We're running. We're running. Look at this. Oh, I've got so fast. What am I gonna do? Oh my god! Stop in the face! What are we doing? What are we doing? Back up! Back up! Okay, we know what to do, dumbass.
See if you can see. Oh, we've got to stay together.
And the devil's a girl! Little stuff over here. It's real cool. Where's my family going? They just left me. Where are they going? What are they doing? Where? Where did you get here?
Where's Sammy?
We know what to do. Get the fireworks! We're getting pretty loud, so shut up! God. We saw orange stuff. I can't see what they're doing. Alright. Boys and girls, sons and dads, we're going to need your help to light up this guy's. Yeah, we're going to be relaxing. We're nice and lazy. We're not ready. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. We're all in fun. Whoa. Holy. Oh. Pretty neat fireworks here. Huh. Whoa! Let's die! You don't interrupt in this thing. Whoa! Oh! Pretty neat. Oh! Crap! Oh yeah, it's neat. Oh! Crap! Get it, crap! Holy!
That's a big one. Alright. Stay. Wait.
Holy snap! This is gonna be big.
Show me go and get close to the water. I got a heap of photos too, Coop. Alright, thanks.
Oh my god. It's like a horsey. The world's blowing up. Get out of the way, people. The world's blowing up. I bet that this would be the exact same thing. It's like
a damn video, get out of the way.
yeah, I bet this will be like the exact same thing when the world ends. Like that. That'll be when the world ends, pretty much. Whoa! Holy!
Oh my god.
Holy! Whoa!
When you hear that big thud go, you know it's going to be a big one.
Oh! This will be your epic! Holy! It kind of sounds like sipping cereal into a bowl. And not out of a bowl.
No, like, it's
out of the thing. Sorry.
kind of feels like you're pouring Sprite into those like.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, this will be big! Oh! It's right on top of us! Right on top of us!
We're
Can you hear that
gonna
big
die!
thud?
That means that we're gonna die!
Man, why are you guys so dramatic? It's only a YouTube video, it's not acting. Man, these stupid palm trees up in the way, we can't see.
That's a big one.
Oh! Oh, you can hear this is gonna go big. Oh! I can see it, it's on there. Where's it going? Where's it going?
What the hell?
Oh, I can see it. That's it.
That was a big one. Could have gone like.
actually counted in that whole video. I mean, like how much pops they did, like thingies that they did. So let me know in the comments. And I hope you hear, you heard me then.
And if you're right, you're awesome.
It's raining!
Oh, let me cut
That'd be a big one.
Bang! Holy! I just said. Pull!
I love those flowers.
Ha! Oh, that's fun. Looks like he's just coming straight to you. Who is that? Someone's shooting! Someone's shooting food coloring gun. I'm at bullets. Food coloring bullets. Oh, that's not gonna come on your head.
There we go.
Oh!
You can push the button.
Oh! Oh! It's gonna be big! Oh! It's gonna be big! There's so much going on! Ah! Don't pull the screen! It's going on! I gotta back up! Holy! Oh, he's going big! It's gonna come on us! They're all like falling! Oh, look at it! It's like pulling! Look at all this smoke! Look at all that smoke! That's pollution! So that was great. That was great. Can you end the video?
Yeah, I'm going over to see Justin.
That was like great. So sorry about the pollution. That was really bad, but I know that was really bad. So I hope you liked the video. Tell me how much count how much there fireworks you counted going up. Till next time.
Too dark.
See ya. Peace.